New for 2022 is our Moonlit Magic collection. This collection pushes the boundaries on innovation, size, and realism for at-home decorating. These items utilize market-leading development and manufacturing techniques to ensure the Home Depot is staying years ahead of the competition. What this means for our customers is they will have the unrivaled best decorations in their neighborhood at a value that we can all be proud of. Our Moonlit Magic collection offers endless decorating possibilities with our take on classic items like witches and ghosts, and then we push the limitations with our Phantom and our Wizard. What I love about this collection is the flexibility to choose the magic you want these items to bring to your display. They are designed to let you choose whether you'll represent a fun scary or you'll take it darker. Normally we save the top pieces for the end. I can't wait any longer. Let's walk through one of the top items first. This is our giant 12-foot hovering witch. The market has never seen anything like this piece. It's 12 feet tall and there is no visible frame supporting it. It gives you the true illusion that she is taking off and heading to cast a spell on her next victim. I also want to point out that we just didn't stop with this unique hovering feature. We have incorporated a moving jaw, moving head, life eyes, LED uplighting, and a voice that will send shivers down your spine.
Come join me for a spell.
Another great piece that makes up our Moonlit Magic collection is our 6-foot wizard. It has the realism of a Hollywood prop or an animatronic that you'd find in a theme park. Look at the attention to detail in the beard, the wrinkles on the face. He even has pores incorporated into his skin. On top of these details, he has state-of-the-art lighting effects worked into his orb, staff, and eyes. At $199, the quality of this piece won't be touched by anybody else in the market. Talking about a great value, this twin pack of ghosts for $99 could be used as a focal point of a scene or offer amazing flexibility as accent pieces. They have incorporated glowing LEDs and come with the ability to hang or be displayed by their included stands. Another great value piece that we have in the Moonlit Magic collection is this 6-foot witch. She has LED eyes and an extremely creepy voice. An impressive amount of attention has gone into her sculpted face and hands. She even has painted nails, which add a fun twist. She is a great standalone piece, or she can be paired perfectly with our 5-foot cauldron. This cauldron has been updated for this season with a new look and color. My favorite addition is the new bone utensils and the burning logs heating up the cauldron. Now that you've been introduced to some of the amazing items from the Moonlit Magic collection, I want to tell you some good and bad news in my life. In June, I moved to a new house with a smaller yard. I'm slightly worried about how over the top I can go with my outside decorating. The good news is I now have a finished basement. That made me think, we always put so much focus on yard decorations, what about decorations inside the house? Let me introduce you to some great new pieces before they make their way inside. The bartender will be the first piece I buy this season. He will go perfect in my new basement. His name is actually Dean. We named him Dean the Deathologist because his drinks always come with a unique and deadly twist. You'll notice the lights simulate a pouring motion. His tie and wingtip shoes accentuate him perfectly. He even speaks in a British accent.
Please tell us all how it is that you've ended up in our company.
Joining me on this porch is another piece that will look amazing with your interior decorations. It's our new animated Oogie Boogie. Jack and Sally from The Nightmare Before Christmas were 2 favorites last year. Now we have a 6-foot Oogie Boogie that pairs perfectly with them. He has green LED lights that shine through his burlap exterior, and you'll notice him singing a very familiar song.
Cause I'm Mr. Oogie Boogie, and you ain't going nowhere.
I've always been a huge fan of posable skeletons and pumpkins. The flexibility they offer when decorating is amazing. I'll definitely be leveraging them this year for my collection. This year we've brought in a new pitted skeleton into the mix, in addition to many new pumpkin finishes and lighting options to choose from. I can just picture Dean behind the bar with his posable skeleton customers on bar stools and the flicker of the jack-o'-lantern's light filling the room. Graven Bones represents cemeteries, bones, and skeletons. It encompasses a lot of the items you picture for Halloween. It's our core collection that we bring back year after year. Each season, we incorporate new items so our customers can continue to grow and expand their collections and bring their visions to life. Before we get into the new items, I have to say first and foremost, Skelly is back. We are thrilled to have him here for another season. He has truly taken on a life and a personality of his own. He is still his 12-foot self and has those piercing blue life eyes. We do have more units available for this season, but I am sure he will go fast, just as he always does. Especially because for a third year, we have maintained his amazing value of $299. To complement Skelly in the Graven Bones collection, we have dozens of new and innovative pieces. This Infernal Reaper has a burning chest and eyes which will light up any dark scene. He also has real-life head, neck, and mouth movements driven by servo motors. These motors replicate the most lifelike movement available in the market. Our team has always wanted to bring a coffin to the market, and this year we got the value equation right. For $199, you can have a coffin that you can lay down or display vertically with its included stand. It has red LED lights to show off whatever you choose to display inside. The simulated gold leaf etching on the sides, along with the red velvet interior, really makes this piece stand out. This goblin has a cute look to him, but don't let that fool you. He whispers, "Come closer."
Come closer.
But that's only to lure you in
You will be the next that I collect.
and add you to the collection he holds in his bag. This startling piece will be sure to make your trick-or-treaters jump. We love doing a unique twist to our clowns. This is Terry the Clown. If you meet him, he's almost guaranteed to make you cry, as he spends time in cemeteries greeting unexpected guests. Make sure you note the attention to detail in the sculpting on his face and the dead bouquet he's carrying. You can't have a great Graven Bones collection if you don't have some amazing graves. We work to replicate our favorite tombstones, which we find every year across the country. This year is no exception. These replicated stone tombstones with weighted bases truly set your yard apart. We already discussed the flexibility to add in and utilize 5-foot posable skeletons almost anywhere. This year we have accessorized small skeletons with mixed media for a lifelike twist. The feathers on the vulture bring him to life, and you have to laugh when you look at this poodle. I could spend the entire show talking about great items in the Graven Bones collection, but we can't run out of time in Halloween before I show you these last two showstoppers. Here is the last piece from our collection that we wanted to show you. It is our 15-foot Phantom. Yes, you heard me correctly. It is 3 feet taller than Skelly. And this piece isn't just massive in size, it has color-changing LEDs in its face, mouth, and hands to light up the night sky. This piece was designed so its base disappears at night and a slight wind truly brings him to life. We don't want Skelly to be jealous that there were two giants in Moonlit Magic with the Hovering Witch and the Phantom, so we had to create him an equally intimidating friend. This is the Towering Werewolf. It is a fully molded piece that has extreme attention to detail. This includes the claws on his feet and hands, the razor-sharp fangs, and his imposing muscular stance. The werewolf has glowing life eyes, LEDs incorporated into his mouth, a moving jaw, and a head that tilts back and lets out a fearsome growl. As you can see, nobody does Halloween like the Home Depot. When it comes to innovation, quality, exclusivity, assortment size, and the size of the items, we can't be beat.